just one drink every morning to control diabetes. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic for those navigating diabetes, exploring how a simple morning drink can play a pivotal role in managing blood sugar levels. Diabetes affects how your body processes food into energy, primarily due to insufficient insulin production or ineffective use of insulin. Insulin is vital for transporting glucose into cells to fuel the body. Without it, glucose accumulates in the bloodstream, leading to elevated blood sugar levels that, over time, can contribute to serious health issues like heart disease, vision impairment, and kidney disease. Managing diabetes requires consistent effort, but small adjustments to your daily routine can make a significant difference. In this video, we'll uncover a specific drink that you can seamlessly incorporate into your morning regimen to help regulate blood sugar levels effectively. We'll explore its benefits, mechanism of action, and why it's a valuable addition to your diabetes management strategy. If you're new here, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness insights. Stay tuned, as this could be the solution you've been seeking. Let's dive in. Incorporating a healthy morning drink into your routine can offer several benefits for controlling diabetes. By choosing the right morning drink, individuals with diabetes can take a proactive step in managing their condition. In this video, we're talking about cinnamon tea as an exceptional morning beverage for diabetes management, thanks to its distinct properties and health advantages. Research indicates that cinnamon has the potential to decrease fasting blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea may contribute to lowering overall blood sugar levels, thereby facilitating better diabetes control. Maintaining a healthy weight is critical in diabetes management, and cinnamon may aid by regulating metabolism and curbing appetite, thus supporting weight control. Drinking cinnamon tea in the morning can help manage cravings and reduce the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Additionally, cinnamon has long been used to promote digestive health, essential for overall metabolic function and indirectly influencing blood sugar levels. Cinnamon tea can soothe the digestive system and enhance gut health. Moreover, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. The antioxidants found in cinnamon tea help protect cells and promote overall well-being. Cinnamon contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common issue for people with diabetes, and reducing inflammation can improve insulin function and glucose metabolism. Cinnamon tea is a versatile and healthful beverage that offers a wide range of health benefits other than controlling diabetes. Cinnamon may help improve several risk factors for heart disease, including high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea can contribute to better heart health by reducing these risk factors. Cinnamon can help reduce menstrual pain and discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can help alleviate symptoms associated with menstrual cycles. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties. This can help fight off bacteria and fungi, supporting overall immune health and possibly reducing infections. Cinnamon can stimulate digestive enzymes and aid in digestion. It can help reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas, promoting better digestive health. Some research suggests that cinnamon could potentially enhance brain function and offer protection against neurodegenerative diseases. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties present in cinnamon may play a role in safeguarding brain cells and enhancing cognitive function. Additionally, cinnamon tea may provide relief from respiratory issues such as colds and bronchitis. Its antimicrobial qualities and soothing effects can ease throat irritation and reduce coughing. Making cinnamon tea is straightforward and can seamlessly fit into your morning regimen. With just hot water and a cinnamon stick or ground cinnamon, you can prepare this beverage easily. It's a convenient and affordable choice for boosting your daily health routine. To make cinnamon tea, simply boil 1 cup of water and pour it over 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon in a cup. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the cinnamon to infuse the water with its beneficial properties. After steeping, remove the cinnamon stick if used and enjoy your tea hot. Incorporating cinnamon tea into your morning routine can proactively enhance diabetes management and overall health. In summary, cinnamon tea proves to be a valuable asset in daily diabetes care. Its capacity to enhance insulin sensitivity, maintain blood sugar levels, and offer antioxidant advantages positions it as a beneficial addition to your daily regimen. By regularly enjoying cinnamon tea, you not only bolster your diabetes management, but also foster general health and well-being. Remember to incorporate it as part of a balanced diet and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Here's to a healthier you starting each day with a warm cup of cinnamon tea.